Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Pick 2 caffeinated tea bags, black or green, because caffeine constricts blood vessels and reduces puffiness. Steep them for 3 to 5 minutes, then squeeze gently and place each bag on a small plate. Once done, cool them in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes so they're comfortably cold. Cold temperature helps reduce swelling. Make sure your face is clean, remove contacts, and lie down so the bags won't slip off while you continue. Place a cooled tea bag over each eye and close your eyes. You should feel a gentle, cooling pressure. You keep them on for 10 to 20 minutes. That window balances caffeine's vasoconstricting action and antioxidant benefits without irritating delicate skin. Once finished, remove slowly and pat the area dry. Do not rub. If the bags warm up too fast, re-soak briefly in cold water, then refrigerate again. Because sustained cold, preserve. After removal, you gently pat the skin and lightly massage with your ring finger to boost circulation. Then apply a hydrating eye cream or moisturizer to lock in benefits. Once done, repeat this routine up to 3 times a week. Effects are temporary, so combine with better sleep and hydration for cumulative improvement. If you experience redness, stinging, or allergic reaction, stop immediately, rinse with cool water, and consult a professional. That single tip prevents worsening conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.